Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, I think we're ready to break that artist block. Let's head on over to Diesel, see what happens, okay? Meet you there. Alrighty, here we are. Since this looks like some kind of flower, let's just experiment, see what kind of a flower it may look like. I think if I do this kind of motion around it, we can almost make it look like, what do they call it, a tea rose? Something like that. Okay. I know they've got, the petals are kind of close together. And I don't know, we're just kind of experimenting here. And we put some white in here like that. Okay, it ain't perfect, but what it is this means that we've broken the artist's block. Now let's see. What about this one up here? What can we do with that one up there? Well, let's try this. Maybe if we just go like that, okay, that can begin to look like some kind of a flower anyway. Some kind. There's a little bit more paint here. Like that. Like that. Like that. That. I have no idea what kind of a flower that might be, but it looks pretty good. Okay, like that. Okay, this one over here, that looks like it wants to be about the same thing. So we'll just make those curves for whatever it might be, and we'll just kind of say that we've broke the artist's block. Yeah, we could probably paint these better, but for right now, this is good enough. Okay? Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments, and always remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We got it broken. Tomorrow, we'll just kind of recap what we did. Until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.